Hi, this is John from Apollo Sprayers. Yesterday I cleaned my spray gun, and guess what? Now today I come back and I only get a round spray pattern with the spray gun. What do I do to fix it? Well, let's find out. So to correct the round spray pattern, it's usually one thing that causes it, and that's usually the air distributor plate that's backwards. So the easiest way to fix this is to remove the air cap from the front of the gun by removing the ring. Remove the adjustment screw and pull out the needle and the spring. Then we can take the wrench and remove the nozzle. Pull the nozzle out and then remove the air distributor, and look at that. So you notice that this disc here in the front of the gun, this is the air distribution disc. And this disc was placed with the slots at the 3 and 6 or 3 and 9 o'clock positions. And they're actually supposed to be placed at the 12 and 6 o'clock position. So this plate is actually an upside down. If this happens, you can still put the assembly together, but you'll only get a round spray pattern. So when I adjust my ring, it won't do anything. So all I need to do is just flip this plate back over so that, so that it's at the 12 and 6 o'clock position, and then replace and rebuild the gun. So I have the slots in the right position with the hole down in the lower right hand corner. So now I can align up my air distributor, get that locked in, put the nozzle back in, tighten it up with the wrench just a little bit, reinsert the needle, the screw and the spring, and the air cap in the ring. And that should resolve your problem. If you have any other questions, please give us a call at customer service at 1-888-900-4857. Thanks for watching.